You don't know a J Loyal in me, I say big up 100% talent show. You don't know. Alright, G, bros. Yeah. That's right. I for met this.
What's that on that beat?
A J Loyal. A J Loyal. A J Loyal. I for met this official. Flow so sicker than a retard. Say she want come touch the G-car. So unpredictable like the visas. Gala go crazy like some hyenas. Flow so sicker than a retard. Say she want come touch the G-car. Me heart so unpredictable like the gala go crazy like some. So me no in a bag of lyrics. All them a chit chat, you a be a gimmicks. Talk them a talk, just call them lippies. Cause none of them no better than J Loyalist. Official link pon the block, yeah me repeat. All of me hot girl them way a bangis. Lyrics are the bullet to me gunna so me clap it. I fi reload pon tracker so me knock it. Lyrics are me commission so me ever stash it. I fi reload pon track so me cash it. That hot girl like make them happy. Want put me in a them house and padlock it. Worry, hey girl kidnap me. Do what you wanna do make me feel. She call me the J, the captain the. Do what you wanna do make me feel. Flow so sicker than a retard. Say she want come touch the J. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like some hyenas. Girl them love off the G. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like. Me say me fly like the rocket. Flow them me got it. Lyrics say me lock it. Them shot like hemotic. Two speakers me knock it. Brain psychotic. Polluted like chronic. Y'all say it erratic, make them wine and drop it. Them was hypnotic, we rolling with knockers. Lyrical illmatic when them one day run and them drop it. That's right, flow so sicker than a retard. So she want come touch the J. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like some flow so sicker than a. Don't know J Loyal, 100% talent. That's right.
Pick up yourself, J Loyal, how you mean? Me I tell you, Ara General. All the performance go J Loyal. Him there. Excited to, you know.
Yo, boss. J Loyal, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, my general. You know what I mean? We don't know the circumstances what make you partially late today, but you still forward out. Yeah, we give thanks for you being here, seeing we are part of the competition. You see me I deal with? Yeah, the song bad. I really like the rhythm still. You know what I mean? But me don't know a flow and a, you see me I deal with the artist. You see me I deal so you know we're multi-talented. You see me I deal but me is just a youth not feel like that was the right rhythm choice. Yo, as me I deal with, yeah, you see me I deal with. So with that said, you know me give you a bad 7, same way my boss.
Thank you for that, Ara General. Bruce.
Yeah man, flow sicker than a retard. You understand? That was sit down comfortable upon a showtime rhythm. So me that want to see a tackle one dance already. Me know say he's a crossover artist. You understand me I say? But most DJs them and the judges were there are hardcore dancehall personalities. You understand me I say? So you'd get a better score if you just make the crossover there. And I know you can do it. You understand me I say? So it's a solid 8 from me. You understand? So I want to see what you can come with next. You see me? Floor 6 still.
Sick of that. Big up yourself, J Loyal.